To warm up, hop laterally over the dumbbell for 3 rounds of 20 seconds. Then do 5 single leg Russian deadlifts on each side. They help to improve lower body stability. Lower the dumbbell controlled in a vertical line, keeping the back straight. The workout is the following triplet for 5 rounds. 20 seconds handstand hold. Keep the head in line with the body, the arms and legs extended and the feet together. Then do 10 front squats. Stand shoulder width and keep the elbows high with the dumbbells resting on your shoulders. Maintain the lumbar curve while the hips descend back and down, breaking parallel while the knees are in line with your toes. Finish each round with 10 Abmat Sit-ups. Keep your feet together and pull the torso to seated, engaging the core. Cooling down, let's do the couch stretch. Find your anchor with first the knee and then the shin on the wall. Bring the support leg up, squeeze the glutes and push the hips forward. 3, 2, 1, go!